watching it, all they pearls, and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash that?
Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna be installing the carbon fiber eyelids on the headlights of this BMW M240i. So we got some real carbon fiber eyelids. Before I install that, I'm gonna put the tint on the headlights first. So we're gonna tint it with the Vvivid light smoke tint. But since I already did the DIY video on the tint, so it's not gonna be a DIY anymore. So I'm gonna do some time lapse on this. So now let's get started.
Be someone brighter, yeah. All in mind if you don't listen that much, but some of y'all don't listen at all. The same shit they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much, though I just mind what you say for the crowd. Cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call.
So since the tint is done for the headlights, now it's time to prepare the carbon fiber eyelids. So we have to install the 3M tape on the back side so we can stick this eyelids on the headlights. So here I have my 3M double-sided tape. So all we have to do is run the tape across here so we can stick it to the headlights. So we have to run another tape here on the other side. That's it. So now it's ready to install the eyelids on the headlights. First you have to peel out the tape. So now it's ready to install it on the headlights. So all you have to do is align all the edges before you press it in. There we go. Then you press it with your finger. Make sure the double-sided tape is stuck on the headlights. So that's it. That's how you install the eyelids on the headlights of the BMW M240i. So guys, look at the big difference on the headlights with the carbon fiber eyelids. Especially if you try to hide the silver accent on the headlights here on the top section. It looks mean and aggressive now. Look at that. So guys, the carbon fiber eyelids makes a big difference on the headlights, especially if the headlight is tinted. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
What's up? How are you?
I want to see your reaction, man.
Oh god, here we go. Got the camera. Oh my god, they look good. Looks good. And I don't think it's gonna change anything with the how the lights are.
Just a little bit.
All right.
They look good.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they look good. You did an amazing job though.
There's still some bubbles there, but very, very
Yeah,
small.
but
That's
it's
gonna
all-
come out as soon as you
Yeah.
park it outside on the sun.
looks
It's gonna
super clean.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
Amazing.
Thanks, man.
He's a master of everything.
Beautiful.
I try to work as fast as I can, but you know,
No, you do amazing work. Like
it
always.
takes time for the bends. You know, you have to stretch it, heat it, and all
All we
that.
need now is my front lip.
Yeah, that's it.
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Like a drug that